The next dish that we're gonna be preparing for our Christmas meal, y'all, we're gonna make deep-fried asparagus to go with the Creole dipping sauce we made. Now, I like to snap my asparagus, and it will naturally snap the woodsy end from the tender end. Now, when we get these all snapped, what I need for you to do is run it under the water,
okay?
Because we're gonna shake it up in some flour, and we wanna have something that'll help it stick to that asparagus. And in this bag, I'm gonna add a cup of flour. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna come down here and put the rest of our ingredients together. Then put it in our bag, and after you get it shaken up with that flour, we're gonna need to put it in a wet batter. So I'm gonna measure out about a cup of buttermilk, along with 1 egg. Have you ever had fried asparagus?
No, I haven't.
Oh my goodness.
I like asparagus though,
You
but
know,
I've never had it
everything's
fried.
better fried. And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of hot sauce to this. And that's gonna give it a nice little shot of something. So I'm just gonna mix those ingredients together. And then I have got our deep fryer heated up to about 360 degrees. And in this bowl, I'm using 1.5 cups of self-rising cornmeal. And to that, I'm gonna add like a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. And I'm gonna mix that up. So if you'll just take that asparagus, we're gonna dip it in our wet and then into our dry and then into the fryer. What are your husband's favorite meals, Leanne?
My husband, he's 6'4",
Wow.
a big old athletic boy, and he eats a lot.
Does he diet?
Well, yeah, and we both belong to several gyms. You would think I look like Demi Moore, but I don't. But no, I have a boy that I train with, a little 26-year-old boy that makes me do terrible things. Mean squats, and I call it gladiator Russell Crowe workouts is what he makes me do. And then I come home and I could eat the wallpaper off the walls.
Michael and I, the only thing we exercise is maybe our lips. You know? I'm gonna wash this goop off my hands so I can get over here and get our asparagus out of the deep fryer. Look over here at this asparagus.
Oh my gosh.
Is that beautiful or
That is
what?
beautiful.
So we're gonna put it on this platter right here. Brown that Creole sauce on that pretty red platter that looks so Christmassy. I want you to try the Creole seasoning now.
That is
You
good.
like it?
That is good.
It's a nice, unhealthy way to have our vegetables.